In a joint effort to boost agricultural productivity, the University of Makeni, alongside national and international partners, has launched pioneering research into high-yield crop varieties and the use of organic fertilizers. The project, linking East and West Africa farming systems, experienced into a belt of sustainable intensification, undertakes this research in certain districts across Sierra Leone. Dr. Mohamed Joseph Sesay is lecturer at the University of Makeni.
Project is about linking East and West Africa into a belt for sustainable intensification. And so the Sierra Leone chapter is looking at agri-livestock integration, how we can use the manure, organic fertilizers to improve crop production and at the same time improve food security. So from our findings in 6 districts, we have what we refer to as a farmer field research units, where this research was conducted, and there are numerous findings, but specifically we looked at the yield component of various crops. And so we saw that certain crops, the yield increased exponentially.
The research involves direct collaboration with local farmers, ensuring that innovations are practically and adapted to the realities on the ground. Augustine Sasheku is chairman, Kono District Council, and also a farmer.
Well, you see, the reason why farmers and other people vote government into office is for you to drive them forward. And when you terrorize, you should also practicalize. And so in Kono, what we have done is we have established a technology farm where you actually go and see some of these things in action. And that is why I told the coordinators here that we will be very much willing to share some of our experiences so that we'll be able to replicate that all over the country.
Funded by development partners, the project aims to enhance food production, reduce dependency on imported fertilizers, and promote environmental health. Lamin Bogba is Bombali District Agriculture Officer.
It is a very, very good intervention. Of course, these are some of the things that we usually crave for because it adds to the knowledge base of the sector. Now, the intervention there, the research was based on the use of organic fertilizer and assessing the yield and, of course, the potential of the soil physical ability. And that was quite explained in the presentation that was made. Of course, that served as an eye-opener for us as partners in the 8 sectors, because that dictates to us that these are some of the loopholes where you need to look at.
With every result showing significant improvements, the collaboration between the University of Makeni and its partners could pave the way for a greener, more prosperous future for Sierra Leone's farmers. Augusta Ethel Tuye, AYV Primetime News, Makeni.